So the flight has been scrambled, and you can see them up high, just left of centre, coming into the combat area.
These are the parachuters.
You see the smoke of the guns pounding down on our own troops. And in the fleet of those aircraft are a couple of enemy aircraft in the mix as well. To add this battle in the sky for us, running straight in together. A great war display team. 5 different aircraft, 4 different types, representing the design evolution of biplanes and unique triplanes, and the monoplanes of the early years of aviation. Representing the Royal Flying Corps, the Royal Naval Air Service, the US Army Air Service, and of course, the Imperial German Army. Displaying for you now a carefully choreographed sight recreating the sound of a typical whirling dogfight, as you would have seen if you'd been shouting in the trenches of the Western Front not over 100 years ago. Already one hit has been made there, the smoke streaming from the aircraft, and here we are heading for a head-on confrontation. The 5 aircraft here today, 2 pocket